What's the difference between macro and micro sociology? Have you ever wondered how society works on both a big scale and a small scale? Today, we are going to break down the difference between macro sociology and micro sociology. Understanding these two perspectives can really help you prepare for your sociology exam and succeed in high school. Macro sociology looks at large-scale social processes and structures. It studies big groups, entire societies, or large institutions. For example, macro sociology might examine how poverty affects a country's population or how government policies influence social behavior. This perspective deals with broad social forces and long-term changes. On the other hand, micro sociology focuses on small-scale, everyday social interactions. It studies face-to-face interactions between individuals or small groups. Think about how family members communicate or how teachers and students interact in a classroom. Microsociology looks closely at the meanings people give to their actions and how these interactions shape social life on a personal level. To highlight the key differences, macrosociology studies society as a whole or large social systems. In contrast, microsociology studies individual or small group interactions. Macrosociology focuses on social structures, institutions, and large patterns. Microsociology, however, focuses on personal experiences, meanings, and direct social interactions. For instance, macrosociology might analyze the impact of economic policies on unemployment rates. Meanwhile, microsociology might study how a student's relationship with their teacher affects their academic performance. Both perspectives are important because they explain different aspects of social life. For high school students preparing for exams, understanding these differences helps when analyzing social issues. When discussing education, macrosociology might explore how school systems affect social inequality. In contrast, microsociology might look at how peer groups influence student behavior. In practical terms, macrosociology often uses large data sets and statistics. Microsociology, however, relies on observations, interviews, and detailed descriptions of social interactions. Grasping the difference between macro and microsociology gives students tools to think about social problems from multiple angles. This understanding is useful for exam essays and class discussions. So, as you prepare for your sociology exam, remember to think about both the big picture and the small details.